Let's clean my mom's house. This house was so dirty. Just look how dirty this house was. First I mop with sunlight sheep with water mixed. I was scrubbing so hard to get the rust out of the tiles. There was gaps in the wood, so I couldn't get the water in.
Three, two, one, go!
I don't care about my socks. I walk in my socks all day. I don't care. Getting every corner of the house right. Yeah. Around the tripod, hashtag ring light. My socks was soaking wet. The only person I love is you. I just realized I'm not done mopping. No, what is going on? I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. Don't be like me. You start doing what you must do. Now I'm done. Floor is cleaned and everything is nice and easy. Here's my dad's tools. My dad's tools, guys. A lot of it. Yeah. Just here, the house. All the shoes under the couch. Beautiful sign. Cleaning above. The microwave cupboard. Nah, that is not right, guys. Yeah. Don't get the water in the electricity. A little bit of water won't hurt. Wiping the dust off. The dust off. Sorry for that. Getting some handy because it's very handy. Yeah, guys, yeah. Just me wiping off the handy, very handy. Yeah. Now you can watch me wipe the handy off because I'm talking a lot now. This is a montage, guys. Let's go. Again with the handy. Let's go. A lot of dust. You can see the handy. Yeah. Isn't that my... Nah, it isn't. It's the dandy. And 1, 2. Yeah, thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up. Let's go. I didn't do this, but um, yeah, that's me squeezing stuff. Just look how dirty that stuff was. The microwave, guys. Nah, on another level, guys. What are they doing with the microwave? Yeah, the coffee. Yeah. The Stanley and the kettle. The kettle. Sorry for that. Yeah. I did wash all the stuff, copies, glasses, everything. And my auntie actually helped me. Did help me. Yeah, this was for the dishes, the kettle. 1% done, guys. 1% done. Not done, but 1%. There's the couch. There's the couch pillows. Yeah. And that's the couch. I don't know what's that. Phew, just look at that. Beautiful. Beauty. 1, 2, 3,